Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're tracing your average goldfish back to its wild carp roots. Let's go.
So, what exactly is that tiny orange swimmer you see down at the pet store?
You probably picture a delicate pet, right? Well, its true ancestor is a totally rugged wild carp.
Yep, the goldfish descends from the Prussian or gibel carp, a tough, silvery brown survivor from East Asia.
These wild ancestors look so identical today that scientists literally have to use DNA barcoding to track them. Now get this, the wild carp survives freezing, oxygenless winters using a seriously bizarre biological trick.
Trapped under ice? No problem. It turns its carbs into alcohol and just breathes it out its gills. This wild hack extends their survival time without oxygen by a staggering 150-fold. Crazy, right? Their blood alcohol hits 50 milligrams. They literally trade metabolic efficiency to live in a frozen, predator-free neighborhood. Okay, so how did this rugged, alcohol-breathing wild carp turn into a tiny, bright orange pet? The secret is paleopolyploidy. It's an ancient genetic duplication that let the carp survive radical bodily mutations. Basically, a mutation turned off their black melanin, letting the underlying red and yellow pigments just brilliantly shine. That single, colorful mutation kicked off a massive, 15-century-long genetic experiment driven completely by us humans. First, Buddhist monks protected these bright mutants. Later, the Song dynasty really kicked their breeding into overdrive. This Song empress claimed yellow for royalty, so commoners were forced to just breed the orange variants instead. But breeding for those weird egg-shaped bodies and missing dorsal fins absolutely wrecked the fish's natural biomechanics. Because of that, fancy varieties now need more than double the oxygen to swim the exact same distance. So what actually happens when our fragile pet escapes the indoor bowl and returns to the wild? They rapidly revert to their wild carp traits, growing 16 inches long, turning olive green, and totally dominating ecosystems. It leaves us wondering, are we truly shaping their evolution, or just temporarily suppressing a giant wild carp?